Hello everybody and welcome to another video, another party video. I want to show you all the ways that I get ready for a party, things that I buy, how I go about doing it, and just give you some great ideas for any kind of party. Let's get to it. Okay, so for the first thing, I want to show you guys how I go about searching and finding things for inspiration through Pinterest. So for this party, it was summer. I really wanted to do that final flamingo. I thought it was super cute. I found so many great ideas like those. I will show you those later and what I did for those. But like, if you just search, even if you don't know what to search for, just search bachelorette, bridal, birthday, whatever. Pinterest is your best friend, okay? I am obsessed with Pinterest, and that is not just for parties. We're going to go over how I went about my beautiful balloon arc. There is so many great ones that you can find on Pinterest at a variety of prices and colors and different ways that they put them. They don't exactly look like that, let's be honest, but they're very beautiful once you put them up and you just get it all decorated with your decorations. I highly recommend just looking through the reviews, making sure you're getting all that you're supposed to be getting. And once you do get your order in, do make sure everything is in there. Also, invest in a balloon pump, you guys. It's your best friend next to Pinterest. Look at how great that looks. Now, for blowing up the balloons, I definitely mostly do it the morning of my parties, but you can get away with doing this at night as long as you have good weather. Now moving on to the Mimosa Bar. I love this. It was so fun to make, and I want to show you or tell you about just how I made the Mimosa Bubbly Bar sign. It was just so fun. I went on to my app called Pic Collage, and it really helped me just bring this to life. I looked up a web image. I found something really pretty because I wanted to do watercolor. I just put in what I wanted to say, kind of like going off something I saw on Pinterest, and there it was, and I just love the way it came out. Another great buy is this awesome ice chilled 5-compartment condiment server. I have used this for so many parties. I just put a bunch of different fruits for the mimosas, but I've used it as for like condiments for tacos, hot dogs, like whatever you can think of. This is something great to invest in. And my little plastic flutes. This came with 16. It was a great buy. I still have these, and if you're having alcohol at a party, you don't have to worry about anybody breaking it, or if there's children, like if they were to knock one over. They're great. The reviews weren't like the best, but I love them. So moving on to the table where the food and the desserts were going to be displayed. I was going for a Hawaiian theme, and I want to tell you right now, I mixed the plates and the silverware. They're from all kinds of stores, silverware being from Target, and the plates and napkins were from Party City. I think it came out really cute being a mixture. So as I said, I was doing Hawaiian and I wanted to keep with the theme. So I had fruit, I had Hawaiian barbecue chicken sandwiches with a side of grilled pineapple. I had Hawaiian barbecue chips. I had anything that just screamed Hawaiian, but of course, I made it, so it wasn't like a roasted pig. It was really important for me to display the couple, which is my cousin and his new wife, and I really wanted to make it look pretty, so I got some flowers from my garden, just some beautiful hydrangeas, and all the picture frames you see there are from the Dollar Tree. They're so cute. I just love them. For desserts, I really wanted to keep it simple. I wanted it to be just easy to grab, so I did cupcakes and I did chocolate covered pretzel rods. This cupcake display case or stand is so beautiful. It's so versatile. You can make it any level. I've mentioned this in my other videos. I love this. You can even put a cake at the very top. That was my plan originally, but I ran out of time and I just did cupcakes. As you can see, they're very simple. Just put some sprinkles and chocolate and boom, a little bit of edible glitter and it's beautiful. When I was deciding what I wanted to do for the centerpieces, I wanted to keep it really classy, so I just had these beautiful arrangement of leaves that I bought previously a few years ago, and I've been using them over and over again. The thing I like about these is some of them have stems and some of them don't, so they're so versatile. These ones were not available, but look at this one is there, and it's just as great of a price with the same amount. So I highly recommend these, and again, you can use these things over and over again, especially if you like to party plan like me. I really love how the seating area came out. I really wanted to keep it classy yet simple, and I ended up adding these really sweet lanterns on the lights and just kept it really clean. This is my go-to chalkboard sign. All I did was add some chalkboard paint to a frame, and voila, I had a great chalkboard that I can make signs for days. And I have used this for many parties and events. Party favors. I just adore these. I didn't have a pool or anything, but I still thought it was really cute that people could take home. I put a Truly drink in there. This is how I found them on Pinterest. I found them on Pinterest, and then this is how I searched them on Amazon. They were a really great price. Totally recommend them. I read the reviews. I loved how people displayed them, and this was a winner. I also put a straw and these little adorable tags that I found on Etsy. All you need is a printer and some paper. I would use cardstock. So one of the best thing about parties are the games, and I loved this Bridal Jeopardy. I just found this on Pinterest and I decided to create my own. I searched also for different questions because I'm not creative enough to think of them on my own, and I just picked the ones that would best suit the couple. So these were really fun. I also would, and to save money, you don't have to do this, I printed them out myself. I basically just took a screenshot and then printed them, and there you have it. Save some money. The last thing I did was provide the bride with a gift basket with some customized cups that I made her, this cute little bridal hairband, a sash. There was a photo album of all the things that I did with her, following her to her different venues, and just anything that had to do with the wedding. I captured it and I put it in a basket. She loved it, and I'm glad that I was able to give her that memory. I hope that this video inspired you for your next party or event. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next video.